Question number 1. Who is the author of the book PMO, Prime Minister's Office through years? Option A. Sanjaya Baru. Option B. Himanshu Roy. Option C. Akar Patel. Option D. Janardhan Tagore. The correct answer is option B. Himanshu Roy. Question number 2. Who is the author of the book Ratan Tata, A Life? Option A. Thomas Matthew. Option B. Arundhati Roy. Option C. Rakesh Goyal. Option D. Janardhan Tagore. The correct answer is option A. Thomas Matthew. Question number 3. Who is the author of his autobiography The Source Code: My Beginnings? Option A. Ratan Tata. Option B. Bill Gates. Option C. Elon Musk. Option D. Mukesh Ambani. The correct answer is option B. Bill Gates. Question number 4. For which book Banu Mustaq awarded the International Booker Prize 2025? Option A. Heart Lamp. Option B. Perfection. Option C. Hasina and Other Stories. Option D. My Life and More. The correct answer is option A. Heart Lamp. Question number 5. The book The Idea of Democracy is written by option A. Sam Pitroda. Option B. S. Jaishankar. Option D. Divya Gupta. Option C. Amit Shah. The correct answer is option A. Sam Pitroda. Question number 6. The book Test Cricket, A History is written by option A. Tim Wigmore. Option B. Jack Taylor. Option C. Richard. Option D. Divya Gupta. The correct answer is option A. Tim Wigmore. Question number 7. The One Cricket, My Life and More is the autobiography of whom? Option A. Virat Kohli. Option B. Rohit Sharma. Option C. Shikhar Dhawan. Option D. MS Dhoni. The correct answer is option C. Shikhar Dhawan. Question number 8. Who is the author of the book The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife? A Very Unusual Memoir. Option A. Anushka Sharma. Option B. Pooja Pujara. Option C. Anjali Tendulkar. Option D. Sakshi Dhoni. The correct answer is option B. Pooja Pujara. Question number 9. Who is the author of the book The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Option A. Arun Shourie. Option B. Rajesh Singh. Option C. Arundhati Roy. Option D. Piyush Gambhir. The correct answer is option A. Arun Shourie. Question number 10. Who is the author of the book Indira Gandhi and the Years That Transformed India? Option A. Srinath Raghavan. Option B. Ramachandra Guha. Option C. Bipin Chandra. Option D. V.S. Ravi. The correct answer is option A. Srinath Raghavan.